Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to create a Power BI dashboard from a report. As with any software, you can use Power BI by signing up. To do so, go to Power BI homepage. After that, click on Sign Up Free, then select Start Free Trial. Now, to download Power BI Desktop, look at the header and you will find a download sign and go to Power BI Desktop. Another option is to visit Microsoft Power BI's official website. Power BI is only compatible with Windows system, so keep that in mind before downloading it. Once the Power BI desktop is downloaded, open the setup file and go to Next and then click on I accept the terms in the license agreement. Here, choose the destination folder. Make sure to select the checkbox of Create a Desktop Shortcut. Click on Install and select Launch Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Lastly, click on Finish. The next step is to import data from any data source and visualize it in Power BI. To do so, press on Home and click Get Data. Next, choose a data source and click on Connect. Once you have imported your data, Power BI starts processing it and organizing it based on what is found in the Navigator window. Before loading the data, you have an option to format it. To do this, select the transform data available at the bottom of the page. In case you want to load the data without any formatting, click on Load. Once you have imported your data completely onto Power BI, creating the visualization element is very easy. You can incorporate different visualization elements by simply clicking on any bar, pie, or donut chart, or any other data visualization method, and types under the visualization tab on the right side of the panel. In case you want to add other visualization elements, you need to look at the fields panel presented on the right hand side, and then check or drag and drop the desired field onto the Power BI dashboards. And that's pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.